Evening and welcome to another Project Bimmer video, my 1995 BMW 318i, and in this video we're going to replace a drive belt tension pulley. So I'm going to show you what the problem is exactly. Well, it's not a problem, but it's a noisy pulley. If I start the engine up, and it's that pulley there that you can hear squeaking. That's what's making that noise. To prove it, I can even quieten it down. Just spray some of this maintenance spray on it. And it quietens it down, but not for long. So what I need to do is get that pulley replaced. And you can hear the sounds coming back. So the first thing I need to do is prise this cover off. So I'll do that off camera. It's going to be awkward to film it, so there's no point trying to show you. So I'll get it off and I'll get the drive belt off as well. And then we can undo the pulley and then fit the replacement. Well, it looks like I've ordered the wrong pulley. It's the idler pulley for the alternator bolt. I've gone and ordered the pulley for the tensioner, so I've buttoned everything back up and I'll get the correct tensioner pulley ordered up. Well, it's quite a number of days later and I finally got the correct part. Going away at the weekend is the reason for the delay. This is the new one, this is the correct part. Well, you can't hear, but it sounds a lot better than the old one, so we'll get this one swapped out, and I won't be able to show you on camera. It's just a bit awkward to do it on camera, so we'll just get it swapped out. Now, to back off the tensioner, I need a 16mm open-ended spanner, which is something I don't have. Now, rather than pay a tenner for spanners from Halford's, I thought I'd get this, the modular tray set for the combination spanners, 28 quid. I've been wanting to get this, same as what Look at Bloody's Garage did. He inspired me to consider this, and now I finally started. I've also ordered a tool chest which will take these. So without any further ado, let's get unboxing, because everybody loves a good unboxing. So let's have a look. If we just get the stone knife in, get that started, get this cellophane off. If you saw my Toolbox tour video, my tools have basically been put together piecemeal over years. I don't really have many matching sets, but I thought start off getting these. So just get this out of the box. Struggle this. There we go. A bit more unboxing needed. Just nick the tape at each end. Well, just one end. And this is what you take the tray out. And these are the combination spanners you get from 8mm up to 19, including the 16 that I need to back off the tensioner. So that's a good do. And when I get the tool chest, I'll be able to pull that in and then start building up the collection. Right, anyway, I'm going to do this, change this tensioner off camera. In fact, you can have a closer look at that. I think I don't know if you heard the other one, but that is quite a brand new bearing, and it's an INA one, which is basically OE. They supply BMW new, so I'm basically getting the same as a genuine part for about half the price. It's from 20 quid, I think. Genuine BMW parts about thick into 40 quid, so getting the same part for less. So everything's all buttoned up. So it's time for the moment of truth. Let's get it fired up. And yes, I think that sounds a bit quieter. Definitely better than it was before. So I'd call that a success. The squeaking. That's what's making it. Well, that's it for this particular video. It's a nice simple job. And I showed you the first of my Halford Modular Tray sets that I'm going to get. I'm not sure what to get next. But when I get the first tool chest, I might do a video for that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click that notification bell if you want to receive notification of videos uploading. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.